Well, I had a friend that came to him and had surgery, and that's all she talked about. So one day I was looking in the paper and I read an article that he was having a seminar in Punta Gorda, and I had had some problems with my hand, so I decided to go to the seminar. And the seminar was great. He answered all my questions. In fact, that day I set up my date for surgery, and everything was fine. I really liked him. He was very professional, and that meant a lot to me. The symptoms I had a trigger finger, and I had a cyst on my hand. And I really didn't know what to do about it. But that's the reason I came, was the trigger finger and a cyst. Trigger finger hurts. Your fingers lock, and you can't open it or close it. It's very painful. My symptoms was going on probably 3 months prior to me going to his seminar. Well, the trigger finger interfered with signing a check, writing, driving, most daily duties. It would bother you. I was very impressed with this office. Everybody's very professional. They make you feel so welcome. You're not nervous when you walk in. In fact, it's nice to come in and see the girls and the doctor. Well, Dr. Helgamo said that we could do the surgery for the trigger finger. We could do the surgery to remove the cyst. So I came in. The only thing I was concerned about was the shot, and he promised me that he would not hurt me. And he didn't. I was very excited about that. But I got the shot. He did the surgery. There was no pain involved at all. I was excited, very pleased. Right after the surgery, I had improvement in my hand. I had no longer had a trigger finger. I could use my hand. It was sore, and it was, covered for a few days, but I could still use it. And I had not been able to do that in 3 or 4 months. Well, after I had the surgery, I kept the wrapping on about 3 days. And then we took that off, and I came back, and he looked at it, and then I started doing my daily chores. I had absolutely no problem. And it only took about 15 or 20 minutes, and I was up and out and ready to go home. Once I had my problem resolved, I was excited. I was dreading having this done. It was no problem, big relief, and I've had no problem since I've had the surgery. Yeah, I wish I had had the surgery sooner. The staff treats everybody, not only me, but everybody I see come in here. They welcome them. They're very friendly. It's like walking into your home. And I tell everybody about my experience. I recommend Dr. Helgamo to everybody I know that has a problem with their hand. I tell him he is very professional, and he will tell you exactly what he's going to do. He does what he says he's going to do. You couldn't ask for a better doctor. I think Dr. Helgamo is wonderful. I think he's one of the nicest young men, very well educated, knows what he's doing. Great doctor. I was petrified when I came in here. When I met him, all that left. He's wonderful. He'll make you at ease. They should not be afraid. Come in and get what you need done, and you'll be so thrilled when it's over with. So I was very pleased. Schedule my surgery. That's when they actually told me everything that he was going to do. In fact, I asked him approximately what it would cost. He even gave me that, which is very unusual. But I got all my questions answered that day at the seminar. So I was very pleased.